Take photo, video, whatever you want. Now preparing the raw materials.
That is raw silicone.
No, that's catalyst. Then I mix it.
This is I think reducer. What type of reducer?
No. जड़ा है
10 silicone, 1 catalyst.
हाँ वो एक मतलब इंडिया में भी वो है वन वास्ते वो यूटी वगैरह वो बच्चों के लिए है मैंने आपका इंडिया में भी है इसीलिए भी दिखेंगे
Yeah. 这不是9.8吗？他们来早了一点，他们比其他印度人还来得早，要守时一点。
सिलिकॉन पे लती मैं फ्री हुई ग्लास में
So if you only make the one color, you don't have to do the vacuum because our machine we have the vacuum function.
सिंगल कलर मींस नो वैक्यूम needed.
Yeah, but if you do the multi-color, you need to use that one. You will need to vacuum before use.
How many pieces in 12 hours can produce? 10 hours.
It's hard to see. Something like this, small size, with a big mold, you can make like how many? You can see the process. It needs less than 1 minute to make one mold. So now you fill the silicone, the raw materials in the mold. This is the most important field to provide the glue or something like adhesive on the fabrics. Something on the back side, there are glue. Use this.
So no need to clean this dye.
You will see. You will see the process. Yeah, of course. You can change the language. Here's the temperature. 138.65 up and down.
Pressure.
Huh?
25.12.
Oh, pressure. This one is small model, 25 ton.
25 ton.
Yeah. So it's ready? Less than 1 minute. Then we need to cool it. This is a cooling table.
What is this?
A cooling table. Cooling.
Cooling table.
Yeah.
This is hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. 138 degrees. I forgot to turn on this machine. But now it takes some time.
Why do
he forgot to open this machine, turn on this machine before we come. So now he turned it on, but it doesn't work so fast. He need to fasten the cooling process.
Okay, so this is cooling process machine.
Cooling, yeah, to lower the temperature.
cooling process?
Now the temperature is like 100 degrees. Yeah.
Okay, this is cooling process.
Yes. Hello.
Cool down the temperature of tie.
Yes, tie and labels. Here's and colleague. This is Angelina,
Hi.
Cassie, right?
Yeah.
Cassie. See? So this is how he handled the silicone. Now he's doing another process to change the side.
Yeah.
You know, the guru is on the bike.
Okay.
That person is for after sales for the domestic countries.
Okay.
For Chinese, so he's not doing the after sales services to, you know.
Yeah. Okay. On WhatsApp. Call.
Yeah, it saves time and saves money.
And
We can-
instant work.
And
Instant problem solve. Immediate solve problem.
yes, time and money both saved.
But
Are these machines relatively maintenance free?
Sorry.
Are these machines relatively maintenance free? Means frequently there are some parts which gets overheated or over exhausted and we need to buy again and again from China. No maintenance machine.
There is only several spare consumable parts which we can serve and provide to you when we deliver the machines to you. You can use for years.
Okay. That is fine.
So when you finish the labels, you send to your customers. They only cut this and use this small machine to hit press on the fabrics. Then it's done. It saves the delivery cost. You don't have to deliver the whole clothes to your customers.
Only you have to.
These small labels is okay. So now we wait for the temperature raising. It's 144. Now it's only 44.
Now it's only 44.
We need to wait.
Fabric. This is adhesive. Also, have to put this fabric backside also to do embossing.
Yeah, maybe he can show you later. You already do this.
No, I didn't have.
They do it on few levels.
We will show you.
This can also be done on shirt.
Yeah,
Shirt means
ready.
on,
Yes.
on t-shirt.
Yes,
Cotton fabric.
yes. It's like 20 seconds, maybe 15 is enough. 144 degrees.
Okay.
तो प्रोसेस थोड़ा देखो मशीन में जाएगा
After this, you need to cool it. Don't tear it right now. You need to cool it.
Okay.
Then you tear it. It will paste very well.
Okay. It is in transfer. Okay, done. It will not removed in washing or anything.